In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Claude network connection error. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the problem. Also try opening other websites or apps to confirm your internet is working properly. Next, restart your device. This might sound simple, but it can fix temporary glitches that cause apps like Claude not to work. Just turn off your phone and turn it back on, then open the app again. Next, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Claude. If you see the option update, click on it. Outdated version can sometimes cause connection issues. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off. VPNs can sometimes block or interfere with the app's connection. After turning it off, open Claude again and check if the issue is fixed. You should also check if the app servers are down. Launch your preferred browser, type in Claude server status, navigate to the very first one website. If there are any issues, you will need to wait until they are back online. Lastly, if nothing works, try reinstalling the Claude app. Press and hold on the app, click on remove, click on delete and confirm it. Now launch your app store, search for the app Claude. Once app appears, download it, and that's it. These are the best ways to fix Claude network connection error or app not connecting. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.